Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different designs of pink color bedrooms or pink themed bedrooms. A pink themed bedroom can evoke a variety of effects and moods depending on the shade of pink used and the overall design elements. Here are some common effects associated with a pink themed bedroom. Number 1. Calmness and relaxation. Soft pink, light pink or pastel shades create a calming and soothing effect, promoting relaxation and tranquility. Ideal for creating a serene and peaceful space conducive to rest and sleep. Number 2. Warmth and comfort. Shades of pink with warm undertones such as coral or peach can make a room feel cozy and inviting, enhancing the feel of warmth and comfort, making the bedroom a welcoming retreat. Number 3. Femininity and elegance. Traditional pink shades are often associated with femininity and can add a touch of elegance and charm. Creates a romantic and delicate atmosphere, often appealing in spaces designed for women or girls. Playfulness and creativity. Vibrant pinks like fuchsia or magenta can add energy and playfulness to a room, encourages creativity and fun, making the space lively and dynamic. Perfect for a teenager's room for a creative studio. Sophistication and modernity. Dusty pinks or blush tones can lead a sophisticated and modern look to the bedroom. Provides a stylish and contemporary feel, suitable for a chic and upscale design. Romantic and cozy atmosphere. Rich pinks like rose or raspberry can create an intimate and romantic setting, enhancing the romantic vibes, making it ideal for a master bedroom. Positive and uplifting mood. These shades can uplift the mood and make the room feel more cheerful and positive. Brings a sense of happiness and positivity, great for starting the day on a good note. Here are some tips for a pink themed bedroom, like accent colors. Pair pink with neutral colors like white, grey or beige for balance. Gold or silver accent can add a touch of glamour. Textures. Incorporate different textures such as velvet, satin or fluffy rugs to add depth and interest. Patterns. Use patterned textiles like floral or geometric designs to break up the monotony and add visual interest. Furniture. Choose furniture in contemporary colors or in natural wood tones to create harmony in the space. Lighting. Soft, warm lighting enhances the cozy and calming effect of pink. Be carefully selecting the shades and incorporating complementary elements. A pink themed bedroom can be tailored to evoke the desired mood and effect. Creating a pink themed bedroom involves a combination of bold color, edgy color, decor, and unique DIY project. Here are step-by-step guide to help you achieve a pink aesthetic. Choose your color palette. Pink themes often use bold and contrasting colors. Common choices include base color, accent colors. Number 2. Paint the walls. Paint the wall in pink color like light pink, beige, white and grey. Accent color. Choose one wall to be the focal point and paint it in a pink accent color. Number 3. Flooring. Hardwood or laminate if possible. Opt for pink wood or laminate flooring to match the theme. Rugs. Add a statement rug with a pink design such as a checkered pattern or a graffiti style print. Furniture selection. Bed. A metal bed frame fits the pink aesthetic. Look for one in pink or a metallic finish. Shelvings. Install metal or wooden shelves to display your decor. Nightstands and dressers. Choose industrial style furniture with metal accents. You can also DIY by adding metal hardware to existing furniture. Bedding and textiles. Choose bold, contrasting colors or pink patterns or strips. Throw pillows and blankets. Mix and match with different textures and patterns to add depth. Wall art and decoration. Posters. Hang posters of pink brands or vintage pink flyers. DIY art. Create your own pink art by stenciling slogans or logos onto canvas or directly onto the wall. Frames. Use pink or light pink, metallic pink to keep the edgy vibe. Lighting. Ceiling lights. Choose industrial style chandelier or pendant light. Lamps. Use table lamps with metal bases or pink shades. Consider light pink lights for an extra cooling effect. Accessories and decor. Mirrors. Add a mirror with a distressed or metal frame. Record player and vinyls. Display a record player and vinyl records of pink bands. DIY projects. Add DIY pink theme decor like spray paint, picture frames or custom graffiti art. Final touches. Plants. Add some greenery to soften the look. Use flowers of pink colors. Personal items. Incorporate personal items that fit the theme like band merchandise, leather jackets or pink jewelry. Maintain the theme. Keep it clean. Regularly clean and declutter to maintain the edgy, organized look. Update regularly. Refresh the decor periodically with new posters, textiles or DIY projects to keep your room dynamic and true to the pink spirit. By following these steps, you can create a very beautiful pink themed bedroom that reflects your unique style and personality. Hope you have found this video helpful to choose your interior design of a pink themed bedroom. If you have chosen, then must share us in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.